Hey guys, it's Maymay. Are you planning to come to our holiday open house this weekend? That's right, November 10th and the 11th. We're going to do Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4. Now we got a lot planned for you. We got in-store specials. We've got snacks. Miss Sylvia's going to have snacks again. We've got 4 vendors that'll be here. We've got Grit and Grace, J&D Produce, Noelle et al. Candles. You guys saw her last year. You also saw Grit and Grace last year. She does the polymer clay jewelry and more. And the Clack Shack will be here. And he's feeling better and he's excited to see you guys. Now, we've got a couple other things in store happening. One is we have a sidewalk sale, but we're calling it our inside walk sale. And that's because there's a chance of rain. So we're going to move that inside, but we've got that all set up for you with big discounts, like up to 60% off in our inside walk sale. The other thing I want to tell you about is, just like every year, we're going to be doing our make and take. You know, we always do a free make and take, so you can come in and play with paper and make a project or more and take them home with you. Well, this year, we're making one project, but we're spending some time on it, and it's going to be super fun. Now, as you know, we've moved some things around in our store this year, so we don't really have the space to have the make and take here. No worries, though. The Chilton Arts Council has allowed us to use their building, and you guys, it's gorgeous. It's an old home that has been turned into the Art Council, and it is just beautiful. Parking is easy access to get inside the building. So what we're asking is, if you want to do the make and take, go ahead and head to the make and take location at the Art Council, which we'll put the address in the description of this video. And if you're watching this in an email, we'll have it linked in the email for you. So go ahead and head to the Art Council. Now, why do you want to do that first? Because once you do the make and take, you get a ticket. You'll get one of these. This ticket is good for one free stamp set. We've taken 5 of our favorite stamp sets. We've pulled them out of stock, and we're going to let you choose one of those 5 just to say thank you for heading over there and doing our make and take before or after you come here. It doesn't matter which way you do it. But we do want you to do the make and take. You're going to really like it. It's a memory maker, a little memory catcher, I should say, that you'll be able to put your Christmas memories in. And it's so fun and easy to make. And I've never done it for everyone on YouTube. It was a class we did one time before, but now it'll be for everybody, and you guys can make that one here in store. So many more things happening. Specials in the store, they're all over the place. You name it, it's pretty much on sale for you. Now, I know everybody watching is like, but this is not fair because it's not online for all of us who are watching on all these videos, right? Do not worry, you know Vinny's going to bring you something special. We just don't do them at the same time because we're very busy getting the store ready for open house, but we'll do something online for you guys right afterwards. You know that we will. I'll also bring you that make and take in video form after the fact too, so you guys can all do it. So I hope you can come and join us in Clanton, Alabama. Now, all of that sounds good, but it's not even the best part, okay? The best part is, not only are we having open house this weekend, but so many of my friends around town, like maybe 30 or 40 other stores, are also having open house, okay? So plan your trip around that. We will be sure to I'll put a graphic on the screen here so you can see some of the folks that are participating, but I'll put it in the email we send out as well so you can print that out. We'll also have that graphic on our Facebook page and in our Facebook group. And if you want that graphic emailed to you directly, if you don't get it the way we're sending it here, just let Tamitha at MaymayMadeIt.com know, and she can send you that graphic. So you can look at all the folks having special deals that day so you don't miss out. Use it like a map and map out your visit. You're going to love this weekend in Chilton County. It's going to be super fun, and I cannot wait to see you. It is one of our favorite times of year. We all talked about how much we love having everybody in store and getting to feel the love from you guys, and just we're so grateful that you're willing to travel all the way here just to visit us in store. But we can't wait to see you. Friday and Saturday, both days start at 10 a.m. Friday goes to 6 and Saturday goes to 4. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can email us. You can reach us at info@MaymayMadeIt.com or with our phone number that is listed on our website. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our Made It family, and I can't wait to see you. Till next time, bye now.